Social justice is not just about raising awareness. It's about creating meaningful change. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful psychodramatic techniques that can help activists, organizers, and communities to connect, reflect, and take action in more profound way. Technique 1. Role reversal is a technique where individuals swap roles to experience the world from another's perspective. In social justice work, it helps people to understand the lived experiences of those people who are marginalized or oppressed. Imagine a workshop where participants switch roles. An activist takes the role of policymaker while policymaker assumes the role of community member affected by their decisions. This exercise allows each person to step into the other people's shoes, fostering empathy and understanding, so policymaker can make better policies later. Role reversal helps to dismantle biases and promotes empathy. By seeing the world through someone else's eyes, participants are more likely to advocate for change that truly reflects the needs and experiences of marginalized communities. Technique 2. The social atom is a visual and experiential tool that maps out relationship and power dynamics within a group or a community. It is particularly effective in understanding the structures of power and privilege that exists in social justice contexts. In a community meeting, the participants can create the social atom to represent the power dynamics within their neighborhood. Who has the most influence? Boom. Who has left out? The group can better understand where the change is needed by visually mapping these relationships. The social atom helps to reveal hidden power structures or inequities, helping it easier to strategize for change. It empowers communities to recognize their own strengths and identify areas where collective action can make a difference. Doubling is a technique where another person, often a facilitator, stands beside someone and speaks the unspoken thoughts and emotions they might be feeling. In social justice work, it used to give a voice for those who are struggling to articulate their experiences or feelings. During the discussion about racial injustice, a facilitator might use doubling to help the participant to express their fear and frustration that they feel, but they can't truly put into the words. The facilitator speaks these emotions out loud, validating the participants' experiences. Doubling amplifies the voices of those who are often silenced. It creates the space where emotions and experiences are acknowledged, fostering the deeper sense of understanding and solidarity within a group. These 3 psychodramatic techniques are not just exercises, but tools for transformation. By using them, we can foster empathy, reveal power dynamics, and give voice for those who need it most. Let's use these techniques to drive a change we want to see in the world. Learn how to use them with me. You can use this technique in your community. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more ways to make the difference. Bye-bye.